In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable call forwarding on the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is to open the phone app on your device, then select Keypad. Under Keypad, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, look for the option Supplementary Services. And in your supplementary services, tap on call forwarding. Select voice calls or video calls. And then once loaded, go to the option in which you wish to disable call forwarding. For example, I wish to turn off forward when busy, so I would select that and then select turn off. Once loaded, you should see underneath it says no number set. So let's try that again. Let's go to this option, forward when unanswered, tap on it, select turn off, wait for it to load, and once loaded, you should see no number set. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.